Hello friends, in this video I will explain you how you can use this iMovie to edit videos if you're using Mac system. So in Windows we have got Windows Photos app, but it is not very powerful. iMovie is again free software just like Windows Photo, but this iMovie is pretty much much better version of video editor. Like it's much better than Windows Photos, and it is free as well. So in this video I will cover these things: how to add videos to the storyboard, then how to add the background music, then how to add the backgrounds and transitions, then how to add text in the videos, and then how to do like clip or video editing, like splitting videos, then increasing or decreasing the speed, applying different color filters, cropping the video, reducing noise from the video, and stabilizing the video. So all these things we are going to see, so stay tuned. Let us start with iMovie first. Like adding the videos. So once you open the iMovie, this is how it looks like. I have already added some video clips to the storyline. This is the storyline, this area. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna add another video here in the storyline. So for that, all you have to do is just drag and drop the videos. For example, I'm gonna drag and drop this one there. You can see this blue border. So once you see that, just release the mouse button, and then you can see that it is added, this clip. That's how you can add multiple clips side by side. And if you want to add the music, you can drag and drop the music in the same way, but the music layer is over here. You can see this music I have added. Similarly, you can drag and drop the music over there in this section. So that's about adding videos and music. Then let us see now how to add this background and transitions. So here at the top you can see there is a background section. Just click on that, and there are different types of backgrounds that you can add. Let us say at the beginning you want to add this background. So just drag and drop it here, and there seems to be some problem with the background, but it's not displaying properly. But this is how you can add these backgrounds. And then to add the transitions between two clips, like to transition from one scene to another, you can have these kinds of transitions. There are lots of transitions like this: cross dissolve, cross blur, fade to black, etc. So you can just insert it in between two clips, and when you play this, you can see this is how it is gonna show that transition. So there are different types of transitions. You can use any of that over there. Then let us see how to add the text. For example, here suppose I want to enter some text. What you can do is go to these titles at the top, and then there are different types of again text animations that you can use out of that. So let us use this one. All you have to do is just drag and drop it at the top. You can also insert it in bit before the clip as well, but I prefer it putting on the top of the video. So this is how it appears. And then just double click on this, and then you can edit over here. Sample text, whatever text you want to enter. You can also edit the font of this text as well from here. Size, alignment as well can be done here. There also color you can choose for the text as well. So that is about text. Then important part is this one: how to edit your video clips. So let us see how to split the video first. For example, this is one video, and then you want to like split in between two parts. You have to press Command B shortcut key on the Mac, and then you can see there are two parts now. So to undo things, you can press Command Z. To split, Command B. Remember that shortcut key. Then speed. If you want to increase the speed of the clip, what you can do is you can select the clip, then this yellow border will come for the clip. Then you can go to this thing, this icon. This is icon for the speed, and there you can either increase the speed or you can slow down. So if you increase the speed, you can see the duration of the clip will be reduced. And there are different speed formats like 4x, 8x, 20x. How fast you want to speed up the clip, that thing you can do. The same way you can slow down the clip as well, down the clip as well. So that is about speeding. Then how to apply the filters. With filters you can change how the clip looks like. For example, if you click here, this is color balance of your clip. And from here you can apply some borders. You can see brightness and all these things can be changed from there, where you can apply different colors. Different color clip filters can be applied. You can see on the left hand side. So these types of filters can also be applied. So that's about filters and colors. Then cropping, like if you want to focus on a certain part or clip, you want to crop the clip, then what you can do is first, then you have to click on this one, and then you can, there are different settings there: fit, crop to fill, Ken Burns. So crop to fill means only that portion will be displayed. For example, you are interested in this only this section, the remaining section will be hidden when the video is played. So that is possible through crop to fill setting. You can also rotate the clip as well. You can see there, rotate the clip clockwise, anti-clockwise. These settings are there, and then Ken Burns setting is there, with the help of which you can increase or decrease the view of your clip as well. So that's about cropping. Then reducing the noise and stabilization. Here you can see noise reduction settings there. You can click on reduce background noise to reduce the noise, and stabilization also is there. This is stabilize shaky video, this setting. So this is for stabilization, and this one is to reduce the noise, and this is about volume. So all these settings can be possible through this iMovie. In Windows Photos app is Grab. It doesn't have all these settings. So that's it in this video. If you have more questions on iMovie video editing, let me know through the comments. Thank you for watching this video.